Hello everyone, welcome again to our video series. This is Chaitrali Patil. I am a nutritionist from Team CDMK Fitness. Today we are going to talk on topic fatty liver, which is commonly seen across the world. Liver is the largest organ inside the body. It helps to digest food, storage energy, also help in detoxification process. Fatty liver is a condition in which buildup of fat in a liver. There are two main types. Number one is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, that is NAFLD, and number two is alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known as alcoholic steatohepatitis. So what is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease? NAFLD is a type of liver disease but not related to heavy alcohol use. There are two kinds. First is simple fatty liver, in which you have fat in your liver but little or no inflammation or liver cell damage. Typically, simple fatty liver does not cause heavy liver damage. Then second is non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, that is NASH, in which you have inflammation as well as liver cell damage. Inflammation and liver cell damage can cause fibrosis or scarring of liver. What is alcoholic fatty liver disease? Alcoholic fatty liver disease is due to heavy alcohol use. Your liver breaks down most of the alcohol that you drink and it can be removed out from your body. But the process of breaking down can lead to many harmful substances. It generates many harmful substances that lead to liver cell damage. It promotes inflammation as well as it weakens your natural defense. So the more alcohol that you drink, the more you damage your liver. So who are at risk for fatty liver disease? The cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is unknown. Researchers do know that the people who have diabetes, pre-diabetes, have obesity, have taken some type of drugs like corticosteroid and cancer drugs, have certain type of infection like hepatitis C virus, those are obese, middle-aged or older ones. Those are at higher risk for having fatty liver disease. Now we are going towards treatment for fatty liver. Number one is weight loss. Weight loss is an important change that you can reduce fat in your liver. A 500 calorie deficient per day is recommended. A healthy rate for weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week. Then number two is change your eating habits. Avoid sugar and limit starchy food like bread, pasta, rice, potato, etc. Avoid alcohol. Reduce intake of saturated fat and trans fat. Avoid high fructose corn syrup and containing food and beverages. Increase intake of dietary fiber in your diet. And number three is exercise more. Moderate aerobic exercise for at least 20 to 30 minutes per day and do resistance training for at least 2 to 3 days per week. Now diet basics. Eat 3 to 4 times daily. Do not go more than 3 to 4 hours without eating. Consume whole meal like include whole grains, cereals, legumes, pulses, then vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts and non-veg in your diet. Do not eat carbohydrate alone. Do not eat processed food, hydrogenated oil, processed meat and processed grains as well. And now include a balance in your meal like a healthy fat, protein and carbohydrate each time you eat. So some food sources that are going to help you to reduce this condition, those are spinach and other green leafy vegetables, oats and high fiber food, fish, those are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnut, turmeric, garlic and vitamin E rich sources like sunflower seeds. I hope this video is useful to you.